പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം. പോയിടാം നാം.
A reading from First Book of Chronicles, chapter 28, verses 1 to 21. Solomon instructed to build the temple. David assembled at Jerusalem all the officials of Israel, the officials of the tribes, the officials of the division that served the king, the commanders of the thousands, the commanders of the hundreds, the stewards of all the property and cattle of the king and his sons, together with the palace officials, the mighty warriors and all the warriors. The King David rose to his feet and said, "Hear me, my brother and my people. I had planned to build a house to rest of the ark of the covenant of the Lord, for the footstool of our God, and I made preparation for building. But God said to me, You should not build a house for my name, for you are a warrior and have shed blood. Yet the Lord God of Israel chose me from all my ancestral house to be king over Israel forever. For he chose Judah as leader, and in the house of Judah my father's house, and among my father's sons he took delight in making me king over all Israel, and of all my sons, for the Lord has given me many. He has chosen my son Solomon to set up the throne of the kingdom of the Lord our Israel. He said to me, It is your son Solomon who shall build my house and my courts, for I have chosen him to be the son to me, and I will be father to him. I will establish his kingdom forever, if he continues resolute in keeping my commandments and my ordinance, as he is today. Now, therefore, in the sight of all Israel, the assembly of the Lord, and in the hearing of our God, observe and search out all the commandments of the Lord your God, that you may possess his good land, and leave it for the inheritance of your children after you forever. And you, my son Solomon, know that God of your father, and serve him with single mind and willing heart. For the Lord searches every mind and understands every plan and thought. If you seek him, he will be found by you. But if you forsake him, he will abandon you forever. Take heed now, for the Lord has chosen you to build a house as a sanctuary. Be strong and act. Then David gave his son Solomon the plans of the vestibules of the temple, and of its houses, its treasures, its upper room and its inner chambers, and of the room for the mercy seat, and the plans of all he had in mind. For the courts of the house of the Lord, all the surrounding chambers, the treasures of the house of God, and the treasures for dedicated gifts, for the division of the priests and of the Levites, and all the works of the service in the house of the Lord, for all the vessels for the service in the house of the Lord, the weight of gold for all gold vessels for each service, the weight of silver for each service, the weight of the gold lampstand and their lamps, the weight of gold for each lampstand and its lamp, the weight of silver for a lampstand and its lamp, according to the use of each in the service, the weight of gold for each table for the rows of bread, and silver for the silver table, and pure gold for the forks, the basins, and the cups and the golden bowls, and the weight of each, for the silver bowl and the weight of each, for the altar of incense made of refined gold and its weight, also his plane for the golden chariot of the cherubim, and spread their wings and covered the ark of the covenant of the Lord. All this is written at the Lord's direction. He made clear to me the plans of all the works. David said further to his son Solomon, Be strong and of good courage, and act. Do not be afraid or dismayed, for the Lord God, my God, is with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. until all the works of the service of the house of the Lord is finished. Here are the division of the priests and the Levites for all the service of the house of God. And with you in all the work will be every volunteer who has skill for any kind of service. Also, the officers and all the people will be wholly at your command.
പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം മുഴുവനും പോയിടാം സുവിശേഷവുമായി പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായി